What's going on, guys? Back at it again with the Wait, you want to see the suit again? Okay. Alright, guys. For real this time. What am I talking about today? Trampoline 102, the D. In particular, how to calculate the difficulty score of any trick on trampoline. It's going to help you calculate the difficulty for your routine so you can hit that elite 7.5. Okay, so I've written up a couple easy tricks. What we're going to do is we're going to apply this 3-step algorithm in order to compute the difficulty of these tricks and then some harder ones at the bottom. So I want to preface this by saying this algorithm only applies to trampoline. It does not apply to double mini. That's going to be a different but similar algorithm that you'll see in a later video. So the algorithm goes like this. You're going to get 0.1 or 1/10 for every quarter rotation. You're going to get an extra bonus tenth for a whole flip, or for every flip that's completed entirely. So that comes out to 0.5 per whole flip. The second step is going to be 1/10 per half twist. The third step is going to be 1/10 per flip for pike and straight flips, because those are more difficult than tuck. So that means doubles are going to get 0.2, triples are going to get 0.3, quadruples are going to get 0.4 bonus. So let's go ahead and start off with the back tuck. The back tuck is going to have it's going to have 1/10 for all 4 quarter rotations, so that brings us up to 0.4. 1/10 bonus because it's a completed flip. 0.1 brings us to 0.5. Back pike is a completed flip, one whole flip, so we start at 0.5. Then we get a bonus here for doing it in the pike position. So a half a point plus a tenth of a point puts us up to 0.6. And a back straight gets the same bonus as the pike. Step number 3, 0.6. So one of a couple exceptions to the rule is that brannies are all going to be 0.6, even the tuck. Don't ask me why that's the case. Another exception to the rule is going to be your basic twister scales right here, the full. It's going to be a half point because it's a whole flip, and 2/10 because there's 2 half twists, 0.7. You don't get a straight bonus for doing the back straight. I don't know why. I can only guess it's because you can't do a back full tuck or a back full pike. Then add another tenth for the half twist, 0.8 on a Rudy, and for a double full add another tenth for the half twist, and you get up to 0.9. So then moving on to some double flips, a double back tuck, you're gonna get a half a point per flip, 2 flips, that puts us up to a whole point, 1.0. No twists and no position bonus, so then we stay at a 1.0 for the double tuck. A double pike starts at a 1.0 because it's 2 flips. And then we get an extra tenth per flip for doing it pike, so that brings us up to 1.2, 2 flips, 2 tenths. A half out tuck is going to start at a 1.0 because it's 2 flips, half a point per flip. Then we add a tenth onto that for the twist, and then we don't get any position bonus in step number 3, so that puts us at 1.1. A Rudy out pike, we're going to start at 1.0, then we're going to add 0.3 for 3 half twists, then we're going to add 0.2 because it's in the pike position, which puts us at 1.5. Okay, a couple interesting tricks here. A Cody tuck or a ball out, which will be a 5-0-0 in the longer version of shorthand, which you saw in the last video, is going to be 0.5 for the first 4 quarter rotations, and then the last quarter rotation is just going to be 0.1 equals 0.6. So the Cody or a ball out is 1 1/4 rotations, which means there's exactly 1 flip which you get the bonus for, and a quarter flip which you do not get the bonus for in step number 1. Okay, moving on. A 3/4 front tuck, 3/4 front straight, or 3/4 back tuck, 3/4 back straight. They're actually all going to be the same difficulty. In particular, they're going to be 0.3, 3 tenths per quarter, 3 tenths because 1/10 per quarter rotation. There's 3 quarter rotations. no twist because the 3/4 back and 3/4 front don't have a twist in them. And you don't get this bonus for doing it straight because it's not a completed flip. You only get the bonus on completed flips. Okay, just like in Trampoline 101, I've written up a couple tricks here that I want you guys to try to calculate the difficulty of. First, a Randy out pike, half Rudy tuck, full and half out tuck, a Rudy out triff pike, a quaffist tuck, and a Miller plus straight. I want you guys to see if you can calculate the difficulty for some practice and then write it in the comment section below. I'll see you there.